Hey everyone, with this video I want to talk about how to log in Goody's credit card, and also I want to share my reviews of about Goody's credit card. Firstly, you can access your online banking account by doing the Goody's credit card page of Community Bank's web portal, and locate the sign in box and type in your username and password. Click in, click sign in, and as long as both your username and password were entered correctly, you should be looking at the main page of your online banking account. And if you are having a trouble logging in, it might be because your username or password is incorrect. To retrieve your forgotten credentials, click the Forget Your Username or Password link. And first, you need to provide the following information to confirm your identity. They are credit card account number or username, zip code, and last four digits of social security number. And also you can click find my account, and on the and then you will be given further direction on how to recover your username or password and turn log back into your online account. Yes, I think it is really easy to use this page, this login page, so you can make your payment or manage your account through community bank. And with your Goodies credit card, you will get more exclusive coupons that are just for you. And also, as a credit card holder, you are automatically enrolled in your Style Circle rewards program, so you will get an even more great benefits. Okay, thanks for watching my videos. Please share and like my videos for more videos. Thanks a lot. See you. Bye.